Chugor Nagaslem Jong Nongsan Hima.
It's a reflection of the fact that the Congress in the state of Meghalaya is in a complete disarray. They are full of confusion now. And that's the reason why I have said, rather than remaining in Indian National Congress, if they have the resolve to serve the people and serve the state, it's time for them to join All India Trinamool Congress. This is the only platform where they can do justice to the responsibilities vested upon them. But today, if you go by what has happened, in as far as the declaration of the Congress Legislature Party in the state of Meghalaya is concerned, associating themselves with a BJP-led, NPP-led MDA government. So, in other words, Congress has decided to be part of a government where BJP and NPP is actively associated. It is a complete betrayal, and it is just completely contrary to what Indian National Congress has always stood for. And this is complete reflection of, as I say, their desperation to be in power. There has been, I must say, from the day one after the election results were declared in 2018 March, there has been attempt by some of them to be part of the government. I think there is a complete sense of desperation which has led them to, even how many days, 25th November, we have 12 members of the CLP have marched with the All India Trinamool Congress. So how many days have been there as a separate group? And they have not been in a position to reaffirm their commitment towards the people in sync with what was promised in 2018.